Got a Farmall 130 tractor. Has a C123 cubic inch motor in it with a water pump. This is the same motor that is in the early model 140 with that water pump at the bottom down there. And the Farmall 100 and a Super A1. Not a Super A, but a Super A1. Those were made in '54 only. Transition between the Super A and a 100. So this motor starts up easily and runs really good, runs strong. It does smoke a little bit. I presume that the rings are probably just stuck from sitting. This tractor's been sitting about 5 years. So we went through and filed the points. I put a new distributor cap and new plug wires on it to get it going. And I'll go ahead and I'll start it up for you right here. Got the throttle set about half. Gas is on, choke's unhooked. So turn the switch on, start it up. Doesn't make any unusual noises. Has very good oil pressure. That's a half throttle. Not going to let it run too long and get hot, so I'll rev it up for you. And she idles really nicely. That's still a good motor. It's got a lot of life left in it. It just needs running.